TimTim.Live. TimTim.Live.
When I was just a little boy in Lake Haiti, there was a sound that carried my heart across the ocean. The sound of African guitars every Sunday near my home at 57 Rue Prosper 4. Fatherly dance listened to an African program on Voice of America. I'd close my eyes and whisper one simple prayer: Lord, one day please let me see that land.
I never imagined
that one day I wouldn't only visit Africa,
I'd find a family there.
God was writing a different story for my life. When I married a beautiful woman from Yaoundé, He had already made me a son of Africa. Then came our first journey, taking our children to meet their grandparents. When the airplane touched the runway,
I wasn't seeing just another country,
I was discovering another piece of my heart.
Yaoundé.
Your smiles, your warm greetings, your kindness reminded me of my hometown, Douala.
Your energy, your busy streets, your endless halls
reminded me of Port-au-Prince, then Balengo. Its beautiful red earth
looked so much like Deuces in southern Haiti,
as if two nations separated by the Atlantic had always shared
the very same sunshine.
To every Cameroonian,
close your eyes
just for one moment.
Can you hear
the market women calling?
Can you smell
fresh grilled fish
hopping gaze?
Hear the taxis, the motorcycles, children laughing until sunset. And suddenly you're no longer in Paris, Montreal, Brussels, Washington, or London. You're already back home. TimTim.Live.
TimTim.Live. Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever. Your name is one Salah.
Your name
Live inside our hearts,
for everyone,
still living back home,
and everyone
watching Africa's sunrise
from another land
no border
can never erase
where your roots began.
today.
I simply ask God, give me the strength to share the Konpa music that raised me
With Cameroon,
and all 54 nations of Africa, because our rhythms have always beaten inside one heart.
Cameroon forever.
When your phone rings and your mother asks,
When are you coming home?
even the strongest man feels like a little child again, because somewhere there's still a home for you, a meal prepared with love, a mother,
Still praying every day.
a father looking down the road,
Grandparents,
telling the same beautiful stories,
neighbors smiling,
saying only,
welcome home.
I came here to share the Konpa of my childhood.
Then I realized
Its heartbeat was already dancing beside Makossa.
Cameroon forever.
Cameroon forever. land of courage and tradition.
Marua,
Along Babendaway River,
Marua,
colors of the Sahel Limbe,
where the ocean meets Mount Cameroon.
Kribi, where every wave brings childhood
Memories, every city has its own song.
Every village
Has its own story.
every Cameroonian
Carries a piece of the homeland inside their heart.
TimTim.Live. When winter feels too cold, when homesickness holds your heart,
Close your eyes.
you'll hear the drums trash.
Choirs, children laughing with the markings.
Makossa,
Ikutsi, Mandambe, Jang, Sukus, high life.
Afrobeats, Amapiano. Then a gentle voice will whisper, my child, no matter where life takes you, you will always have a home here.